Hello, Just Jax here and welcome to my channel. On with the drawing, and today and then the next day, last time, this sentence will make sense when it gets to the end of it, we did a play with alcohol inks, alcohol ink pens, and that was really fun, really cool. Enjoyed the experience. We'll definitely be practicing and playing and testing and experimenting with these. So I reckon we can get a really nice picture come the end of it. At the end of that, I said these would be really nice for some upmarket colouring in. And I'm going to try that with the colour ones next time, because this is going to take potentially anyway long enough as it is. We are going to throw together a nice colouring in page. Now, I don't know what I'm going to draw yet, but I'm going to pencil it in, black it in, rub out the pencil, and then next time we will have a play with the colour alcohol ink pens and see what we can get. So, what to draw? And there isn't an eye again. Something perhaps a little cartoony. And I could use all the colours, or as many colours as possible. Let's just start doodling and see what happens. Stick a few shapes down on the page. Yep. I don't quite know what we got here, but we got something. Anything else that we can do to this poor, uncertain thing? Yeah, we'll see where this guy takes us. So let's start lining him in. I've already dotted him in his petal. That's not what you do. Right, we have a thing. So let's just go around and get rid of those pencil lines, since this is going to be a colouring in page. Okay, that is where we're going to start next time, because I want to get rubbers serve a purpose. I'm not the biggest fan of them. They leave, and this is coming from someone who loves making a mess, they leave a mess that isn't fun. So I'm going to clear all that up, and next time we are going to have a play with the coloured, trying to put all that in a pile, the coloured alcohol ink markers. See what we can do to this guy, gal, creature, interesting, random, big fat doodle. You can see my doodles change. This was a doodle. This is a doodle. So you never quite know what you're going to get when you're having a doodle, but we're also having a play. And also, that's just a handy little way to do colouring in pages. You can do them for yourself. You can do them for little ones. You can do them for anyone that loves colouring in. So, and you can make them as complicated or as simple as you like. Just a pencil, a rubber, and a marker. And when that's dry, most things won't drag that marker across as long as you use a Sharpie. I'm sure other brand markers work just fine. I just tend to swear by those because they're pretty good. I have got some other ones, but they dry out real quick. So yeah, thank you so much for stopping by and checking me and my channel out. I hope you've enjoyed. See me in the next video that's related to this one to see where he goes colour-wise. And if we can have, because I'm going to consider this a success, as much success. Yeah, I did another one. That's a bit more fine-tuned, as you can see. Though I didn't go with black with the lashes. I was trying to avoid black altogether. Even in there, that was charcoal. So anyway, we'll see if we can have as much success with this guy as we did with this gal when we use the colours. So like if you like what you see, comment if you've got something to say, and subscribe if you really like what you see and you want to see more and know when it's coming. Thank you all again so much. Take care and see you in the next one.